Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn by time on the Dasher app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and earn by time instead of earning by order on the Dasher app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Dasher app. Now, on the left-hand side, you're going to see an hourglass icon. Click on that hourglass icon, and it's going to toggle you between earning by time or earning by order. Now, keep in mind that actively hourly rates aren't always available depending on your area. Like, for example, if I click on Got It, you're going to see that I can currently earn by 925 active hour plus tips, and then click on Dash. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and earn by time on the Dasher app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.